Hi everyone, I'm Theo from Botcrypto and I will show you in this quick video how to use the Vortex technical indicator and how to create a crypto trading bot with it. So let's start directly by adding on trading view the Vortex indicator. So what is it? The Vortex indicator is built with two lines, a blue and a red line. So the blue line is called VI plus and represents the positive trend. The red line is called VI minus and represents the negative trend. So it's very easy. When the positive trend is higher than the negative trend, so when VI plus is above VI minus, we are in the uptrend. The trend is up like here. At the contrary, when VI minus is above VI plus, it's a downtrend. So that's the vortex. It shows the trend with the two positive and negative trends. What's interesting with the vortex is to detect when there are crosses between the two lines. So like here, at the end of July. We can see here that the VI plus crosses over the VI minus and it's a trend reversal. So it's a trend reversal. So the trend was bearish and become bullish. And that's very interesting because it's a buy signal. If the trend becomes bullish, it's a buy signal. So that's what's interesting to use with the vortex indicator. We can see here the other side of the vortex. So the VI plus crosses down the VI minus. So the trend becomes bearish and it's a sell signal. So that's what you need to remember. When VI plus crosses over VI minus, it's a buy signal. And when VI plus crosses down VI minus, it's a sell signal. So okay, you know what you need to know about the vortex. So let's directly create a crypto trading bot with this indicator. So I will go on Botcrypto, so the platform to create easily crypto trading bots, and I will try to recreate this strategy on it. So I will start by adding a condition with the vortex. So what I want to do is to wait that the VI plus line crosses over the VI minus line. Okay. Then I want to buy. Okay, buy date. Then I want to wait that the VI plus crosses down, that's the difference. The VI minus line. And then I want to sell. Okay. So I did the different blocks and I just need now to link them like this, and in honestly 1 minute I represented the strategy we just started 1 minute ago. So a crypto trading bot executing this strategy will start here, then wait that the VI plus line crosses over the VI minus line, then send a buy signal, then wait that the VI plus crosses under the VI minus line, then send a sell signal, and then start again here, etc. So that's my strategy. That's what I wanted to do. I will just configure it in a daily time frame here, and okay. So I will add a little name to my strategy. It will be Vortex Cross. Okay, and I will validate the strategy. Okay. So now let's try the strategy. I will make a little backtest, so a simulation in the past, and I want to make this simulation on the full year 2021. So here is my configuration. It will be on Binance, BTC USDT with 1000 USDT, and on the full year, so from the 1st January to the 1st December. Okay, let's launch the backtest and see the result. Okay, so it's an interesting result. In 1 year with 1000 USDT, we got 500 profits, 500 USDT profits, so it's quite good. We can see on the trading view graph the buy and sell signal. So like for example here in October we had a buy signal here when the VI plus crosses over the VI minus, the sell signal here. So here is an interesting trade, and we can see the full year like this with buy signal, sell signal, every time there's a crosses over or crosses down with the vortex. You can see here the different trades. Every trade is made by the bots, so like I said, it's a simulation. Very good trades here. Other trades which it will be better to be able to remove them in an improved strategy. But it's quite a good result for a first try. I think it's quite a good result. Okay, so don't have nothing to add to this video. You know how to use the vortex. So remember, if VI plus crosses over VI minus, it's a buy signal, and it's VI plus crosses down VI minus, it's a sell signal. And if you want to try the strategy, you can just import it from the strategy store of Botcrypto. The link is in the description, and you can import the strategy, try with backtest. But you can also create real crypto trading bots on Kraken and Binance using these strategies and improve it to have better results if you want. Okay, nothing to add. Good trading, and see you soon on Botcrypto.